Standing at the end of our beautiful new driveway, reflattened, looking at a driveway, like a driveway. Here's our stem wall. Tom's setting measurements where he's gonna drill for posts to hold our beams. We got it backfilled yesterday. We left the two ends open so we can connect more pipe here and out. But it's all backfilled and graded down away from the house.
So why do they?
Kids are playing in the crawl space. Here's the back side. This is the north side of our house. Turn it sideways and get the whole thing in.
I've only got this one piece left, and when I'm done, there probably won't be much left of it.
Hello. Here's this side where Annabelle and Tom are standing. That's where they will bring the water main in.
No, I'm not done. I have to go all the way around.
Where that blue flag is where the main will come in. But they haven't put a meter in yet, so we've got to call the city and get a meter put in. They got rid of our... Hi, Annabelle. They got rid of our mountains, kind of spread it out, which is nice because our culvert comes down through the driveway, and we're going to dig it out and rock with the bigger rocks right down there to the bigger gully that goes where Annabelle's standing across all the way down. So we have big rock that we're going to use for that area, and then we're also going to grade the front and slope it down, so we'll make sure that it's level with the footing and slope it down under where the porch will be, and then we're gonna put plastic and rock all under that so that no weeds can grow under the porch, and it'll be nice and go straight out and away from our house. So where the drain pipes are on the side, we're going to add another drain pipe that comes around and under the porch and takes it out that way, because out beyond the house is where we'd like to really have some sort of cistern to catch the water and be able to then reuse it for gardens and animals. Standing on about the middle of the driveway. Goes back another 80 feet. Our whole property is about 160 that way, from on the roadside, and I'm about in the middle of it right now. So down where the tree branches are that we're gonna mulch, and we're gonna make it into mulch. That's where some possible gardens are gonna go, but more so trees, like an orchard type, all of our fruit trees. We want to put a couple of birch trees right along the gully area to help absorb the water. They really like water, and they're really good for collecting sap from and making syrup. Over in this area, we would like to have more gardening. Right about where this big pile of rock is, we want to do a greenhouse. It might come out a little bit further this way, so it's back a little ways, because about the end of it and maybe a little bit this way is where we'll have the kids' play area. Let me walk around this way off the driveway. Alright, so maybe about where the back of the car is, that way will be a greenhouse. And then about here in the middle of this small thing to over here and back where I'm standing will be kind of the area for the kids to play. Along here is where the future workshop will be, and then we'll have 2 chicken huts and chicken yards to about that dirt clump right there. So from up there to down there. Hopefully I'm not moving too fast. And then that still leaves all this area over here for orchard and such other things. That's where we are right now. And the house will be up on the hill. Oh, just off the house on this side, about 12 feet out. And if we can afford it, the length of the house, we'd like to have our outdoor deck and kitchen. Just off the deck, I would have an outdoor oven that would face the deck. And I'm kind of really excited about that. And then out in this back area will be our private little yard for like the dog. And we'll have our fire pit back here. Because if I get up here and turn around, right about where those rocks are would be behind our workshop. But this space to this space would be our workshop. It's about, I think it's like 24 or 30 feet back and 24 wide. So good sized workshop. We're just up here enjoying the beautiful fall day. It's so quiet and peaceful.